Joy Behar is known for her sharp wit and no-nonsense attitude on The View, but it turns out she applies the same candid approach to her house guests. With strict rules that include bringing their own sheets and leaving within 24 hours, Behar's home is far from a cozy Airbnb. On a recent episode of the Behind the Table podcast, Joy Behar gave fans a glimpse into her personal life, revealing how she handles guests who stay over. At 81, Behar may be a celebrated television icon, but her attitude toward hosting is refreshingly grounded. Recalling her early days before fame, Behar explained that she set clear boundaries with her visitors, ensuring there was no confusion about their stay. "I'm strict about it," she said. "I don't have a problem saying, 'So you're coming Friday and leaving Sunday, right?' It's not just about timing, though." Behar made it clear she isn't running a bed and breakfast, as she joked, "I'm not running an Airbnb." Her approach doesn't leave room for ambiguity, even when it comes to the finer details, like guests being responsible for their own bedding. Despite her vast fortune, including a lucrative salary of $7 million per year from The View, it's unclear whether Behar still adheres to these same rules or has softened her stance with time. Given her stunning real estate portfolio, ranging from a $2.4 million Upper West Side apartment to a $7 million property in Sag Harbor, it's clear she's not in any financial need to host guests. However, it appears her humor and practicality remain intact, regardless of her wealth. Behar's candidness about her personal habits comes as no surprise to those who have followed her career, as she has always been open about her love for money being the main motivator keeping her on The View. Though Behar's rules for guests are strict, they highlight the comedian's down-to-earth sensibility. Her grounded perspective stands in contrast to her fellow View co-host, Whoopi Goldberg, whose net worth eclipses Behar's with a staggering $60 million. Goldberg's earnings, bolstered by her EGOT status, further showcase the differences between the two powerhouses. Yet, despite the financial disparity, Behar's rules serve as a reminder that even in the world of high-paid TV hosts, personal boundaries are key. While Joy Behar may enjoy the finer things in life, her no-nonsense attitude toward house guests proves she's not one to indulge in excess hospitality. From insisting on strict visiting hours to having guests bring their own sheets, Behar remains unapologetically herself. Whether she's on The View or hosting friends, she knows exactly how to maintain control of her space. Just don't expect to overstay your welcome.